Hello my lovelies and welcome. I am down and ready to try some new paints today, but yeah, my voice is not very good at present, so just bear with me. I did get to feel okay after COVID, and then a few days after I thought I was well, it hit me again with like a pouring cold. I suppose I'm pouring paint so it thinks it'll give me a little bit of runny nose pouring. But anyway, I am in my art room and doing a little bit, so it makes me feel so much better. So I'm going to try different techniques with these paints, and I'll let you be the judge, but had fun trying. So this one is your dirty flip cup pour.
I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you. How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone? Before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 ooh. Take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow, all we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you. How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow, all we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all.
Wow, I definitely think it's got a lot of possibilities with a bit of tweaking. The colours that I'm using, I think I definitely need my repertoire of colours that I love to mix and go with. This colour palette's like the blue Azure. Definitely reminds me of some tropical sea somewhere. What do you guys think? Those cells were from the Floetrol swipe. The first ones were just from the ordinary paint and Floetrol, the new paint and Floetrol. So obviously there's not many paints. Well, I haven't found any other paint that works like Amsterdam and Floetrol for those kind of cells. Of course, I get lovely cells with a swipe in other technique, which I might even try this with another swipe over the whole lot, because I just want to test this paint out. So what do you guys think of it? So I can't even see where I put the Floetrol. Right, so this is the Amsterdam paint and Floetrol over that solid solutions. Radio. Let's see how this goes. Oops, that was a bit aggressive. Oh, look at those cells just popping up like nobody's business. They kind of come in like a pearl effect more so than the like bloom cells. They come in like a pearly. I just know with different colours I could do a lot with this, I guess. Just have a little bit more. I'll turn it around. At those cells, there's nothing like that Amsterdam and Floetrol for making this kind of effect. Not to say it's not, you know, there's lovely effects like the Dutch pour, chaos blow, or just my swiping with my pouring medium, and but it's sort of a different thing with the Floetrol in it, whole different ball game. Look at that! Wow! I'll bring you down to have a look at this too. That's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Just look at these cells. Wow, wow, wow. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Stunning. So, there you go. It worked in a basic swipe. It's worked in a the blow technique, the ring pour and blow with my flower in it. So I'm pretty sure it would work in beautifully in all different techniques. So I'm going to get some more colours and give it another try further on down the line. Good for Australia to have another paint that's I'm told is made in Australia, but I will double check. Alrighty, my lovelies, thanks for joining me, and I will be back tomorrow. Hopefully I feel a little bit better every day, but not feeling too crash hot. So hope you all stay well. Bye for now.
All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart, give a little bit of your heart to me.